Welcome back to Product Critique,
where we uncover the best products on the market to make your life easier and more vibrant. Today, we're diving into a powerhouse of vitality and wellness: NutraChamps Korean Red Panax Ginseng Capsules. If you're seeking the ultimate boost in energy, focus, and overall performance, look no further. NutraChamps has crafted a ginseng supplement that stands out from the rest. So, what makes this product the best ginseng available? First off, it's all about the formula. These capsules are packed with extra-strength ginsenosides, derived from premium Korean red ginseng root extract. This means you're getting a potent dose of natural energy and focus enhancers with every serving. And here's the kicker. Each serving contains a minimum of 5% ginsenosides, ensuring you're getting the full benefits of this ancient herb. Plus, with 1,065 milligrams in each serving, you're getting a powerful product that delivers fast results. But it doesn't stop there. NutraChamps Ginseng doesn't just boost energy, it also strengthens your immune system. With its powerful antioxidant properties, Korean red ginseng helps fortify your body against pesky invaders and keeps you feeling strong and healthy. Whether you're tackling a busy day at work or powering through your workout, NutraChamps Ginseng has your back. And here's what really sets NutraChamps apart: their commitment to quality. These capsules are made in the USA with premium global ingredients and undergo rigorous testing to ensure purity and potency. They're vegan, non-GMO, gluten-free, and free from any artificial colors or flavors. So you can trust that you're putting the best into your body. But don't just take my word for it. Let's see what customers have to say. Amy Hodgson says, "My husband and I both love these. He takes them for the energy he gets, but didn't realize they had loads of extra benefits to them." And Anastasia Lassa Odessa raves, "Wow, boost in energy, productivity and motivation right away." So there you have it. NutraChamps Korean Red Panax Ginseng Capsules, the best ginseng supplement on the market for energy, focus, performance, vitality, and immune support. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Be sure to click the link below to get your hands on this powerhouse supplement and supercharge your life. Until next time, stay healthy and stay vibrant.